Una good morning, all of now wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Monday, 12th of February 2024. Happy New Week. Our topic for today na if God carry you. Our memory verse dey for Isaiah chapter 63 verse 9 and e talk say from all their suffer no be angels save them but na God save them by himself. He use him love and mercy take save them. He dey care for them since that time. Our Bible reading dey for Mark chapter 10 verse 13 to 16. People come bring their children come meet Jesus make him touch them. But him disciples come dey shout for those people wey dey bring them come. But when Jesus see wetin dey happen, he vex. He come tell him disciples, make una allow small children come meet me, make I no stop them o, because na people like them go enter God kingdom. I tell una true words, anybody wey no receive God kingdom like small children no go ever enter inside o. After, Jesus come draw the children near body, he come bless them. Now the message. For our Bible reading today, some people carry small children come meet Jesus, and as he carry them for body, na so he bless them. If God carry person, he dey also dey bless that person o. As we see am for Mark chapter 10 verse 16 so, if you read about the Israelites when they dey leave Egypt, you go see say all the forces wey dey heaven, wey dey earth and under the earth, all of them gather together to take favour them. Na wetin dey happen be this o. If God carry you, he go bless you well well. For Exodus chapter 19 verse 4, Bible talk say, una don see wetin I do Egypt people. Una see as I take carry una for eagle feather come bring una come meet me. Some people no really know the meaning of God bless you. After you don talk say God bless you finish, they go still dey say abeg pray for me o. If God don bless person, that one mean say all the forces wey dey heaven, earth and under the earth don gather to help that person to make am succeed for anything wey he dey do. Na the meaning of God bless you be that o. Whether you believe am or you no believe am, even demon go gather to take help you if God dey carry you. Some years ago, I bin go African nation for one program. As we wan come dey reach the crusade ground, na so we face one kind serious hold up for road. Even though say police escort dey follow us to take help us clear the hold up, our motor still join for the hold up because people no gree obey police. Before we know wetin dey happen, we just see one Christmas. He come front of our car, and so he come dey clear the road for us o. That man don craze tey to the extent wey be say if you look in eye, you go see say devil dey dance inside the eye. The man clear road for us until we comot for that hold up. As the road come free, na so this Christmas come decide where I sit, he come bar. If God carry you, everything go just dey work together for your favour. And if you want make God carry you, you must behave like pikin o. You must be like pikin. For Bible reading today, plenty adults dey around Jesus, but the ones wey Jesus carry na the children dem. If you no be like pikin, you go too get weight for Jesus to carry. This one mean say you must bring yourself down well well. You must obey him words. You must not keep malice. And you must get faith well well for am. Just like small pikin wey believe wetin papa tell am. The main point for today's message be say, na only children na him Baba God go fit carry. You must make sure say you be like pikin for him hands. Na that time go carry you, come bless you join. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy that day o. Till we get meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.